Please stop. Stop taking it lightly. Every day, we hear around us, read, and see disturbing images in newspapers and social media of mobile battery blast. Reasons can be anything. Is it right to take a chance with our life and our dear and near one's life? We can't take risk. We can't wait for uncertainty to happen. When we all know the thing which blasts is battery, then why not? We should follow the best practices, as it's better safe than sorry. And one of the best practice is we should never overcharge or keep mobile battery under charge and use. Okay, agreed, totally agreed. It's difficult for us to keep checking or track battery charging status. Many times we don't remember, especially what about children and elderly people? We all are busy in our work. It would be such a relief if someone can track the battery charge and remind us. Hence, AayanSpace has brought up with a solution which will give relief to our heart and mind. A mobile app, AS Battery Alert, which gives you battery alert, that too in audio form. Not only it gives audio alert when the battery is 100% charged, so that we can remove mobile from charger. It also gives audio alert at two more percentages, which you can set so that battery is never undercharged, because we all agree it's always better safe than sorry. Take care. Wish a safe and happy life for all.
Battery percentage is 38%.